Good morning, everyone. It is Tuesday, April 28th. I hope that you guys got a little glimpse into what we will be working on in genetics yesterday as you took that Quizlet pre-test. I will be looking at those today. But what we are going to be doing next, you guys are going to be starting to learn about genetics. And we are going to be using a program called CK12. I introduced it to you a little bit on yesterday's video, but I'm going to walk you through it a little bit today to make sure that you guys understand some of the tools and things that you will be able to use to help you be successful as you move through the different lessons that we will be posting from there. Okay. But before I do that, I do want to let you guys know that I am holding a Zoom meeting at 11 a.m. So at 11 a.m., if you click the link that I've already posted, you will be able to get in by 10:55. I'll probably open the meeting, and then we'll get started right at 11 to make sure that you guys are able to make it to whatever other Zoom meetings you might have scheduled for the day. Okay, I am going to walk through and read through what the assignment is going to be about, as well as explain specific topics or vocabulary or things that I feel like I can add to help you guys understand the concept that you will be learning about tomorrow or today. Okay, so 11 o'clock, be there. If you attend the Zoom meeting, you will be excluded from doing one of the two assignments that you will have to do if you don't attend. So there's a benefit to attending, and we're going to do it all together so that you guys are able to ask questions, hear me explain some things that may be a little bit more confusing. All right. So what I'm going to do now is go to CK12 so that you guys can see kind of what that's going to look like. Not that one, this one. All right, so at the top, this is the beginning of the lesson. Basically, you guys, this is set up a lot like an average textbook, so it should feel kind of pretty familiar for you. There are vocabulary terms that you can click on to help explain some of the vocabulary words. Going back to the Quizlet that you guys did yesterday is a good use of your time also to study those words and just prepare for future lessons. So you guys, we will be reading through this. As you can see, it just goes down. There are pictures that talk about what it is that they are trying to teach you about. There is a video. Now, the video for this assignment is optional. You do not have to watch this video. This particular video is actually 10 minutes long. You will be watching this exact video tomorrow on tomorrow's assignment for an Edpuzzle. So if you want to watch it ahead of time, feel free. You are more than welcome to do that, but it is not assigned to you today. It will be assigned to you tomorrow via Edpuzzle, where I'll be asking you some questions as you move through the movie. Okay. All right, so you're going to continue reading. There's some more pictures that explain stuff that's going on in the reading. Down here is a summary. The summary is great because it kind of gives you just a quick little snapshot of all the things that you just talked about in the reading. We will not do the explore more, okay? But you will be completing the review questions. So there are 4 review questions. You should be able to find all the answers in the reading, okay? So I want you to highlight where you find the answers, and then you are going to put the answer on this document. This document is also attached to your assignment. So there are 4 questions. You are going to answer those questions in complete sentences, and you are going to put the answers in here. However, if you attend my Zoom meeting, this is the part that you will be excluded from. So you do not have to do this part. If you attend the Zoom meeting, we will actually just do this together and talk it through and discuss as a class. All right. But if you do not attend my Zoom meeting, this will be up to you to complete. Okay. Because I want to make sure that you are participating and learning about the concepts that were brought to your attention during the reading. Okay. Now, there's a couple of tools that I want to show you guys. If you, just like when we were in STEM Scopes, if you highlight something, you can highlight like that, pick a color, and then you can trash it if you don't want it anymore. Also, there's this little guy down here in the corner, this little orange guy. His name is Genie. If you click on him, he is a tutor. I think this is an amazing tool. It just says, hello, my name is Jeannie. I'm here to help you on your learning journey. See some suggestions below as to various ways I can offer assistance. So He has videos on take a quiz, try an interactive, or you can just type in a question. So if I type in, where is my type in? Oh, it's underneath it and I can't see it. There we go. If I type in what is genetics, okay. And he answers me. He tells me that genetics is a study of inheritance. Inheritance is the passing of traits from parents to offspring. How are these traits passed? Through DNA, genetic material. Okay, so he goes on and he actually explains it to you really well. So if you want to use that tool, you are always welcome to. Okay, so that guy, little genie in the corner, is very helpful. The second part to this assignment is that you guys will be doing this view practice. So this green button that's down here, you will be clicking on it, okay? And you have to complete 10 questions, all right? So you have to get 10 correct. So you're gonna keep going with questions until you get 10 correct. And the cool thing is it's adaptive practice. So it goes to your level. If you already know everything, the questions are gonna get just a little bit more challenging to make sure that you really know it, okay? If you don't know a lot of it, then the questions get a little bit easier to make sure that you are understanding the concepts, okay, that maybe you're not understanding at first. All right, so you guys are going to be doing this. I think that this is going to be a really cool tool. I'm excited to see what I see from my end as to how you guys are doing with the different concepts and different vocabulary and things that are coming up during genetics, because genetics is super interesting, but it's also a little bit challenging because it's something that you guys haven't spent a lot of time on learning before throughout elementary and 6th grade, okay? All right, so that is what we are doing today. You will be going into CK12, reading this assignment. You're going to do the review questions on that other document that looks like this. If you attend the Zoom meeting, you do not have to do this. All you have to do in comments for the assignment is put I attended the Zoom meeting, and you will be excluded from that. I will have the names of everyone that attended. So if you didn't attend, make sure you don't say you did. And I think that's pretty much it. You guys need to take the little quiz, and that's all. I hope that this program works out. It seems pretty cool, and it seems remote learning useful. So something that you guys will be able to go into and look back on if you have questions on something that we are moving forward on. And then I'm always here, obviously, to help you answer questions as well. That's why I kind of want to do the Zoom meeting and make sure I can explain some things to you that aren't necessarily explained in the reading. And that's pretty much it. I know this was a long video, but I really just wanted to show you and explain some things because next time we go into CK12, then I won't have to explain the little orange guy at the bottom or what the view practice mode is. All right, so if you guys have any questions again, make sure you let me know, email me, Google Hangout with me, and I will try to get back to you as soon as possible. I hope you guys have a great day. Bye.